Hello mga kalocals! What's new? A modern Filipino restaurant and bar is now open in the City of Smiles. Plus, they are serving local alcoholic drinks mga kalocals. Plus, a performance of Kalayo sa Sula mga kalocals which you can watch at the end of this video. So they serve Filipino comfort food with a twist like crispy palabok, pinakbe, seafood kare-kare, munggo with chicharon, kansi steak in broth gravy, chorizo burger, pancit molo, liempo, tuyo fried rice, and of course, their inasal meals. They also have dessert mga kalocals like black sambo, toron with a twist, and a lot more. They also have refreshments mga kalocals. And of course, their bar which offers cocktails, wine, beers, and of course, the local alcoholic drinks. And may araman sila mga kalocals ng alfresco dining and function room for your events. And now mga kalocals, let's watch them perform the Kalayo sa Sula, which is the famous drink that you can try. So what are you waiting for mga kalocals? Visit nyo lang ang Balay Kubo from Tuesday to Sunday at 2nd Street, Lacson behind SSS, Bacolod City.